Hello. So today I'm going to the schoolhouse party, but before, I just like to say I got a ton of these vials in a trade, and I'm not sure what to do with them. So you guys should tell me what to do with them. Okay, it starts in 10 seconds. But I've missed this. This is my first time going to the schoolhouse party because I've managed. Oh my god, it's getting out of the cage.
It wasn't good enough. But I haven't gone to the schoolhouse party yet because I keep missing it. Oh, I forgot that this isn't my character. Oh, there's the shop. Oh. It's not there.
I'm not sure how I feel about that. The mini chalkboard? What mini chalkboard? This chalk?
Where's the super shop? Oh, wait, this mini chalkboard. I don't know if I just got...
Oh my gosh. 500? That's insane. 500 diamonds for that? Why is this person looks really cool. Just being bred. Oh, there's the teacher. Shoot, I gotta sit for class. Why is everything sitting except my animal? I can't even see what he's saying. Oh my gosh. Oh, hello, class. I was really freaking out there for that. These people, these voices. Are we all accounted for? Really hope so. That's what he's supposed. What is going on right now? The Lynx will be the assistant. What? I don't think there is a Lynx here. How are these people constantly always painting? What is that designing your character? This class is really boring. What is going on? Because here we have an assistant teacher who will be working on. Oh no, I don't have my backpack. Well, whose fault is that? Why there's so much going on? I'm going to the front. My seat. This teacher's really bad. Teach me. Oh, I'm getting yelled at over seats. Oh my gosh, I cannot see this person. No, assistant, please do not harm the students. I don't. What? This person is on top of me. Why do we have three different teachers? I'm abandoning this school. I don't think it went very well. What's over here? Oh my gosh, the water fountain. Not much going on. Check out my trade list. I am trading pet and pet stuff. I hate when I get a trade from somebody that's a pet. You're trading one pet and pet stuff. Building vehicle. Wow. That was something spectacular. So there's not much going on at this school party. I'm gonna have to abandon ship. Why is this person like, oh, what is painting? I need to know what painting it. Oh, see, this person's pet has like flames. Oh, there's one of the, I didn't realize that those treasure chests you get from these, you could open. I have like 12 of them. But I just didn't know you could open. Oh, I forgot that I was doing that. I still had scoops left. I forgot that I made this gen too. All my pet vials. I don't know what to do with them. You guys gotta tell me what to do. Oh, I've gotten these before. I gotta go back to my old den. Oh, I should have rerolled. Oh my gosh. I'm like falling apart. Oh, okay. That's about a rage. Just a lot going on. I need to just re-roll when this happens. Inexpensive items in my shop. I'll be the judge of that. Oh, join my pack. Okay, it's 10 here. How much is that at the actual diamond shop, though? Super box available in 4 days. It's 5! They're charging more! That's not even inexpensive, that's just a scam. Thanks for buying, people. What are they buying? I really like the glitter ones. I'll buy the glitter ones. But other than that, it's a stupid shop. I want to go down their slide though. Why am I? Oh, I was like, why am I orange? Pretty sure I have this gun. I feel like I remember getting it like right when it came out. I want to go down the slide. Okay, guys, I think that might be it for my rant. But bye bye.